In this video, I'm going to show you how to print from Notewise. So the most important thing here is that you can't actually print from Notewise. However, you can export PDFs and then print those, which is basically pretty much the same thing. So let me show you how to do it. First, you have to go into a note you wish to export and print. So for example, I want to export this second page over here. It's so random, just ignore it. And then here, what you have to do is, it's very easy. You want to go to the very top right and you want to tap on those three dots. And then here is going to show a bunch of different buttons, and then the third one should be export. Tap on that, and then you have to select which pages you want to export. So I just want to export this second page over here, so just make sure there's check marks on those you actually want to export. But if you have multiple, you could also enter the page range. Now here you can then go ahead and export this either as an image or PDF. So I'm going to go PDF over here, and I'm going to leave the page scale as it is. I'm not going to invert color, and that's pretty much cool. So I'm going to tap on the export button now at the very bottom right. And when I do that here, I'll be able to save this into my downloads, for example. So I'll just do it in here because I have this folder open already. You can, of course, save it wherever you want. I'm going to tap save here, and it's going to say note exported, and then you can tap on the view button on your screen, and it's going to ask you how you want to view it. I'm going to view it as a Drive PDF viewer, and there we go. As you can see, this is now my Notewise note, and I can go ahead and print it. So tap at the very top right, you'll be able to see those three dots. From here, tap on print, and then this is basically going to start loading your document, and in here you'll be able to select your printer. In case you have a printer connected, of course, you'll be able to see it, and then you'll be able to print this from here. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.